Hello guys, today we are going to do some chocolate chips cookies. And we are going to need vanilla extra, chocolate,
A cup of brown sugar,
a cup of
butter, softened butter.
And here we have some more ingredients.
Okay, here it's a teaspoon of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of baking powder, a teaspoon of baking soda, and half a teaspoon of salt. 3 cups of flour. This is oatmeal flour.
And we have two eggs.
We're gonna start, right? We put the eggs. Okay. Now we toss. You can toss the. You can toss the. You wanna put the sugar?
Yes.
Who's gonna put it? No. Yes. Okay. Thank you. See.
That is crazy. And I think we put too much sugar.
Oh, this is a recipe with half the sugar than other recipes. So because we don't like it very sweet, we just like it a little bit sweet, right?
Hey, you already did it.
Who wants to pour the butter?
You.
Okay. Careful.
Thank you.
Okay.
Why is this getting stick to this? Hey, make it down.
Okay. Come on. What are you doing?
We are making chocolate chip cookies.
No, right now. What are you mixing?
We're mixing butter with 2 eggs and with brown salt.
No, brown salt, no.
With brown sugar.
Okay, you have to make turns, okay? Yeah, make turns.
Okay, but this is a little bit difficult. This is a little bit difficult.
Okay, you wanna do this?
Okay.
Let's not do that because you can fall, okay? I see. But we have to mix it.
I accidentally did.
It's okay.
Because a cooker gets his hands
Okay. Mixing. Let's keep mixing. So, remember what this was? Just a teeny tiny, okay? Just a little bit. What is this? What are you putting right now?
It's
Vanilla
vanilla
extract. Just a little bit. Okay, that's good. You wanna close it?
It's a tiny little ingredient. That's why we put a
And
little.
we mix it. Mix it. So what are we doing? Can you sing a song? Powder cake. Bakers
man.
bake me
Make
a
a
cake.
cake for
As you
but you can.
you bake it.
Take it and roll it and put it in the
Okay, I'm gonna give it
The
to you.
oven.
Who's gonna?
Me!
Are you gonna move?
Me! I want to put it. I want
Espera.
to do it. You have
A ver,
Rolling goodie.
Wow.
This
Who's
is a
rolling?
goodie.
Okay. I have to. How many? Do you remember how many we have to put?
Two?
I
Two.
think it was 3, so there's 1 for each. Okay, but someone has to move it. Keep going. Okay.
First one is me.
1 cup of oatmeal flour.
Oh
Oh,
yeah.
remember our mixture of flavors, delicious.
We have to put it.
Yes. And
Oh
mix
yeah.
it.
This is getting like masa. Oh yeah. Marky, go through. Do like this.
Okay, you want me to
Okay,
try?
come on.
Hold on. This is Marcus' turn.
Okay, here you go. Hey, I don't get to move it.
Put it. I thought you did not want to move it.
I want to
You
move it.
can move it, of course.
It's
Okay,
me.
it's Paula's turn.
Okay.
Oh, you didn't put the pedals. Okay, this way.
Look at this, how it is. It's like a man.
Yes, it is.
Oh, it's getting unsticked. How are we going to take off all of this?
Are you tired already?
Yes.
Okay, third. Who's gonna pour the third cup?
Yo! No.
You do half and he does the other half, okay? I'm gonna swirl.
Oh, no. And then? More swirling. Now me the other.
Maybe we should have used the
Hey,
precious.
mommy, you also have arañazos?
I do.
Well, look at
What can
me.
it be? Tama.
I don't know what could it be because you know what?
What?
You know what? That the other day, that one day I did not eat this, but one day this appeared, and another day this appeared.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
I think it's because I was
Oh no! I think who it
with
is.
the aloe vera.
I think who it is Marky, because look at his nails.
No, it's not him. It's because I was cutting the aloe vera the other day. So the aloe vera has.
Está arañado.
Yes. I don't know what's the name. Pinchos.
But mommy, it's not true because one day I did not, because that day I did not hurt myself with the aloe vera.
Okay, can I do this?
And actually,
What are we doing?
put el chocolate.
We're chopping chocolate at super speed.
Okay.
Yeah, we do it super fast. And now we are mixing the chocolate with the dough that we created. You have to leave it in the freezer for at least 30 minutes, 1 hour before you scoop it into a baking pan. And you put it in the oven approximately 10 minutes. It depends if your dough is cold or frozen. And you bake it and you enjoy it. With these quantities, we were able to bake 3 dozens of cookies. So what I like to do is, because I like them warm, is to freeze the ones that I'm not gonna eat that day. What you can do is basically you create the balls and then you put them on the freezer. And once you wanna bake them, you just toss them out of the freezer and bake them. We hope you like our recipe. If you want to see more videos with ideas to do with your kids at home, please subscribe and leave us a comment down below with suggestions or things you liked or you would like to see in our channel. Thank you. Bye.